What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel, mine and my dog's channel. If you would come here. This is Axel. We're gonna be filming lots of things that have to do with him. And so we're gonna do a thing today where he picks out his favorite food. So I hope you guys enjoy it a lot. Okay, so we are going to let him pick out his food, and he is so excited. He's probably just gonna eat all three of them. Okay, Axel, can you sit down? Good boy. No, gotta pick. Which one? Wait. Okay, so this one is cheese. This one is crackers. And this one is peanut butter. So, can you sit down? Sit down.
What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never f***ing learned how to read.
Sit down. Please sit. You're not listening. Okay, so, what's your favorite? You pick. What do you want? Oh, we tried the peanut butter. We don't want the crackers. We want the cheese. Oh my goodness. Look, he picked the cheese. I thought he was gonna pick the peanut butter. Oh my goodness. It's all gone. You can't have all, you can't have all of it. You can't have it all. That's not how this works. You can have some peanut butter though. Oh. Well, so you guys, we figured out his favorite food is cheese. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed that quality content, please subscribe to my channel and like that video and do a thumbs up or
I really should have said pause up.
whatever that is. And here's the baby. His favorite food is cheese, just like his mommy. We just wanted to share that with you guys, so please subscribe.
Almost heaven, West Virginia.